and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Nicole coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Thursday, October 6, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 61 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 77 and a low of 64 with rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Jacob, Pranav, Simon,
Imani.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, the Bulls will play the Indiana Pacers tonight at 6 o'clock, and the Cubs will play the San Francisco Giants in the first game of the National League Division Series playoffs tomorrow night at 8:15 at Wrigley Field. There are no clubs meeting today due to conferences. Announcements for today are: don't forget to come to the Scholastic Book Fair before or after your conference today. And now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Nicole. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. My seat feels a little low today. Not sure. All right. It's not really Friday, but it feels like a Friday, right? There's no school tomorrow. We are going to pull some Herbie high fives. This is the primary egg. Let's see who we get here. We have got Tyler in room 202. Justin in room 108. Tanisha in 110. Alex in 202. Let's do a couple more here. Another 202. It's Grace. Grace in 202. And the last one out of the primary egg, who's it going to be? We have got Dia in 214. All right. Intermediate egg. We have got Jazara in 116. Kevin in room 205. Julian in 116. Madison in 205. Rachel in 212. And the last one for today, who's it going to be? Madison in 211. So congratulations to everyone. Oh, she's in the studio. Awesome. Remember to go down to the office after announcements. Let's see. Just a reminder to everyone that there is no school tomorrow because of conferences. We do have an early release today, 11:40, and there is no school on Monday. So enjoy the long weekend. Remember to read. Eat your vegetables, get a good night's sleep. Everybody have a great day. Yeah, go Cubs. Root on the Cubs. I know those are night games, but maybe your parents let you stay up a little later. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
And now it's Ask Mr. Schmelzer time.
Oh, good.
Do you like to go fishing?
Not really, no. I'm not a fisherman. I've fished.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit.
Think about it.
Yeah, it's not banana pancakes. Yeah, how many of you went out and listened to that song yesterday? Favorite fruit, let's go with grapes.
That's tough.
It was. I don't have a favorite everything. That's the hard thing.
Who was your childhood best friend?
Childhood best friend, Steve Bear.
That's his real name.
That's his real name, and I have no idea where he is. So,
How old were you when he was your best friend?
elementary school, junior high, part of high school.
Oh, and you don't talk to him anymore?
No,
Well, your best friend you are.
I said childhood best friend.
Thank you again, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome. Thank you, Nicole.
Here's today's interesting fact. Columbus Day is a national holiday that officially celebrates the anniversary of Christopher Columbus' arrival in and discovery of the American continent on October 12, 1492. Federal observation of the holiday began in 1937, but Americans have been observing the anniversary of the voyage since colonial times. Many people have the day off and observe the holiday but by attending parades. Enjoy the day off of school on Monday. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Duh Emojis production team. Have a terrific, thrilling Thursday.